As we go digital, dapat partnered ito ng better financial decisions. Kaya yan daw ang misyon ng ikinasang GCash Innovation Summit 2026. Narito ang Agenda Weekend Report ni Remus Macasero.
Dumalo ang nasa 3,000 technology stakeholders, regulators at business leaders sa Ignite, the GCash Innovation Summit 2026. Sentro ng usapan ang hirap ng maraming organisasyon sa paggamit ng artificial intelligence sa kanilang day-to-day operations. Kaya para matugunan ito, nagsilbing plataforma ang summit para sa cross-industry collaboration laban sa mga roadblocks sa cybersecurity, regulation, customer trust, at AI governance. Binigyang diin ni Mint President at CEO Martha Sasson ang kahalagaan ng better financial decisions para sa mga Pilipino at ang papel nito sa pagpapabilis ng digital transformation ng bansa.
We need to shift from what can technology do to how can technology create meaningful impact for people. At GCash, this is one of the questions that continues to guide us. We want to help Filipinos make better financial decisions every day, whether that's saving for the future, borrowing responsibly, growing their businesses, or investing with confidence. Because the next chapter of financial inclusion is not just about expanding access. It's about helping Filipinos make financial progress.
Tinalakay naman ni Senator Bam Aquino ang integration ng digitalization sa mga legislative priorities. Iginiit ng senador ang problema ng korupsyon sa bansa at kung paano makakatulong ang kanyang isinusulong na batas.
But if we're able to put the budget on blockchain, to make it open to the Filipino public, to put it in a way that's tamper-resistant, interoperable, and open to all of the different technology groups to create APIs to connect to the budget of the Filipino people, it won't only be one of the best tools for policy making, it will be one of our best weapons against corruption.
Naglatag din ng global standards ang mga speakers mula sa AWS, Google at Huawei para sa isang secure at future-ready na digital economy para sa mga Pilipino. Sinundan ito ng GC Plenary na tumutok sa proteksyon ng mga consumer sa digital space. Ibinida ni Mint Chief Technology and Operations Officer, Pebble C, kung paano nila napapanatili ang tiwala at kaligtasan ng kanilang mga users.
The short answer is, we don't trade speed for security, right? They actually fuel each other when designed right.
Nagsilbing wake-up call ang pagtitipon na ito. In this era of rapid AI innovation, cybersecurity is no longer just an IT issue, kundi pundasyon ng business survival. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Remus Macasero, Billionaire News Channel.